Hello, welcome. Let's check this quick one. Question 32 of 2025 February-January edition. The diagram is a circle with the center O. We are asked to find the angle at the center here. Remember, there are two angles here. We have the obtuse angle where the X is, and we have the reflex angle. So this reflex angle is subtended by the arc MP. That subtend the angle at the back there. The same arc that subtend the angle 150. So angle subtended at the center is twice the angle at the circumference. So we can hold on to that also. So I can say that the reflex angle, let me just use the symbol. We are going to have MOP. That's the reflex angle. Remember, you're looking for MOP, which is the obtuse angle in there. That angle is going to be equals to 2 times the angle M and P. Let's take the property. So that is angle at the center is twice the angle at the circumference. So that angle will be equals to, let me just write it here. So reflex angle MOP equals to 2 times the angle here, which is 150 degrees. That gives us 300 degrees, right? Remember, the angle we found plus the angle we are asked to find, they are angles at a point. So I can just say that the reflex angle MOP plus X will give us 360. That will be angles meeting at the point. So I know the angle I have here already as 300 degree plus X equals to 360 degree. Let's keep touch of the X and subtract the 300 from both sides, and that will make X to be equals to 60 degrees. So therefore, angle MOP, which is the obtuse angle, will be 60 degrees. Okay, it happened to be acute angle since we are having 60 degrees. So this angle here plus the one here is what is giving us the complete angles as a revolution. Now we can also take it to be an extension of this line to come here. So you can also see that 150 plus the angle here are the opposite angles of a cyclic quadrilateral. So that will also give you 30. And this X is twice the one at the circumference. So 2 times 30 will also give you what? 60 degrees, right? Try that also and share your answer in the comment section. Like, comment with your solutions, and subscribe.